Hello! If you wanna ask me why I'm holding this microphone on my finger, I don't know. But if you wanna find out how to cook best cherry strudel in the world, you're on the right channel. Follow my instruction and the result will be perfect. Let's go! This is a list of products we need today. Flour, hot water, sunflower, salt, cherry, sugar, vanilla sugar, starch, breadcrumbs and butter. Take a bowl and mix starch, sugar and vanilla sugar. Mixing won't take long, about 30 seconds. After mixing, take a pot and put all the cherry we've got in there. And add mix we've done before to the cherry. And mix for 1 minute. After it, take the pot and put it on low fire. Don't forget to mix all the time, because cherry will burn and you won't get a strudel, you'll get cherry barbecue. I don't think you're gonna like the taste of it. When cherry boils, take it off the fire. When our filling is ready, time to prepare dough. Take the flour and make a small hole in the middle. Add some warm water and sun oil. Now it's time for mixing. It will take you some time to make a good dough. Watch how I do it and repeat after me. When you get same result as I did, it's time to stop. Now it's time for some anti-stress practice in the kitchen. We continue mixing our dough. It will take you about 5 minutes. Do exactly as I do. Take a small plate and lubricate it with a few drops of sun oil. Same do with the dough. Cover the dough with a deep plate which is warmed in a microwave for a few minutes. After 30 minutes, put some flour on the table and get our dough. Now it's the hardest part of cooking this strudel. We need to make a smooth layer. If you do it for the first time, it will be a little bit harder, but I'm sure you will deal with it. On the third cooking this strudel, you won't have any problem with this. Just be patient and don't be scary. If I did it, you also can do it. Make strudel is possible. With the help of knife, make 2 straight ends. Melt butter in microwave and lubricate the dough. Don't forget about breadcrumbs. Now it's time to put cherry to our dough and twist our dough. Almost ready. If Todo smiles to you, smile him back. Don't forget to lubricate with butter and it is ready to be put to the oven. After 45 minutes, our strudel is ready. Can be served with ice cream or without. I wanna try it. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. If you like this video, put me a like. Thank you for watching it and have a nice day.